Hi, in today's video, we'll discuss how you can get money off your Wisely card. Watch until the end to learn more. There are a few methods to withdraw cash from your Wisely card, including using an ATM, getting cash back from participating stores, and transferring money to a bank account. To get money from an ATM, Wisely has a network of ATMs where you can withdraw cash without paying a surcharge. To do this, find a participating network ATM and insert your card. Enter your PIN and select the withdrawal option. Choose the account you want to withdraw money from and enter the amount. Once the transaction is complete, retrieve your Wisely card and collect the cash dispensed from the machine. Don't forget to take your receipt before leaving. Alternatively, you can get cash back from participating convenience and grocery stores. To do this, tap Debit on the keypad and enter your PIN. Find the option for cashback, hit Yes, enter your desired amount, and tap OK. This method allows you to get money off your card while making purchases. Another way to get money off your card is by transferring it to a bank account. Open the Wisely app and log in if you haven't already. Tap the two arrows in the top right corner and select Transfer Money from the menu. Enter your account and routing numbers, then click Transfer. Wisely will move the money into your bank account within 3 business days. So there you have it. That's how you can get money off your Wisely card. Thanks for watching. Till next time.